Okay. So you have discussed stops. Now let us discuss fricatives. Fricatives. We continue taking them in pairs. This is how you look down. Fa. This is the right way of pronouncing it. Because if I prolong the sound, if I say fa, then it becomes a vowel sound. Because R is mixed with it. R should be mixed. Like pronounce it quickly. Even if you are uttering like this fa, say it quickly. Fa, 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 fa. Okay. The best way, the right way is in fact. This is how. Anyway. Yeah. So this is fa and this is wa. This one is the first one. So what is it? Voiceless labiodental fricative. Okay, what is it? Fa is a voiceless labiodental fricative, and wa is voiced labiodental fricative. So this is the three-term description. Voice labiodental fricative. Yes. Initially, say fan. Yes, fan. So this is how we write. Okay, and this you write like this. This is initial. Okay. Tell me next word. Okay.
Folly.
Folly. Okay. This is what you mean? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And then a similar sound can be volley. How about that? Is it okay? Can we take volley?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Folly. What does folly mean? Yes, weakness. Okay. Folly is weakness. Folly, you translate it like folly, folly, and volley. Okay. Volley you would transcribe like this. This is how you would transcribe. See, I have again written like this only, but you write the way I told you to write. Is it okay? And then medially you may say, I'm reminded of a word here. You may have rifle. Medially, this is how you write rifle.
R-I-F-L-E.
F-L-E you write. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, rifle, and here you may have rival. Rival. But like pronunciation is just the same. Rifle and rival. So rye. First you write rifle. You pronounce it quickly. Rifle. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And this you write like this. Rye. This is diphthong. Rival. Wa and la. This is occurring medially, and this too is occurring medially. Rival. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are left with the final sound. Final sound we can write over there. Yes. Finally, yes. Where you have, like, for example, leaf. Now this is occurring at the end. Leaf. This is how you transcribe. And here you may have leave. Leave. Leave from work, that means. So how do you, may I leave? Something like this. Leave, you write like this. Leave. Or say, if. Transcribe the same way. And here you may have Eve. This Adam and Eve. or even this one. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So we have discussed the initial, medial and final occurrence. Fan initially, rifle medially, and leaf finally. Okay, good. This was the first pair in fricatives for and were. For, were. Now we move on to the and the. Tha, I told you how do you pronounce tha. Where do you bring your tongue to? Your tongue should touch your teeth. Okay, think the upper ridge of teeth. The upper ridge. Think, thought, there, this, then, themselves. If you do not touch, means it should touch somehow. Okay, some people bring the tongue in between their teeth. They say think, thought. That's also all right, but it has to touch. Yeah. So yes, we are taking tha and the. Tha is voiceless. This is how you make. First you make a O, say oval shape, and then just cut it here. Then here this is almost inverted 6. First make inverted 6 and then cut this 2 here. So you get the. Okay. So first I'm writing the, and here I'm writing the. Okay, this is how inverted 6, and then you cut it here at the top. The is dental. Okay, this is voiceless dental fricative. Write down the three-term description. Voiceless dental fricative, and the is voiced dental fricative. Fine?
Yes, sir.
For example, you have it in third. Or say thin. This similar words, lest I should forget. Let me write thus, or say this. This here. This word. This. Okay. Third, how you write third? Third you write like this. Third. This is how you transcribe third, and thin you transcribe like this. Thin, and thus. See, same letters are there. Okay, th you have here, but here it is pronounced tha, and here da. That is why there is a need for this IPA alphabet, IPA symbols. International Phonetic Alphabet, I must say, is da, and this, thus, okay, thus, and this you would write like this. Yeah. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can take. You should have suggested from your side as well. Here, initially, we may take this. And here, what should I take? Tell me. The word worthy. Worthy, you may say. What are you saying? Wealthy?
Yes, sir.
This is what you mean. But here you have the same sound. You have the same sound. Your tha sound here, your tha sound here. This is healthy and this is wealthy. Okay? It's not the. You can't take this. And okay, many people mispronounce this. They say healthy. They say this da here, healthy, and they say this da there also, wealthy. But this is not this sound. This is this sound, healthy, wealthy. So this is not a right example. We shall go. We do not have the same rhyming word, so I'm taking this. Okay. worthy. This is fine.
Yes.
This is what we can say. So healthy, how you write? Hell. First you write hell. Okay. Healthy. This is fine.
Yes, sir.
Write it down. Write it down. And then what do you write? Healthy, worthy. Worthy you take war. Oh. Okay. This is the prolonged vowel. Worthy. This is how you transcribe it. Okay. This was medial. So initially we have seen. Medially we have seen. Finally. Yes. Come on. Get me one.
Myth.
Myth. Very good. Okay. Nice example. Myth. Very nice. So myth you write like this. Myth. 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 Yes. This is myth. And yes. Myth is myth. This is how it is written. And here. Let me. Yes. Think of a word.
With.
Very good. Very nice. Beautiful. Very nice example. Yes. Good. So, see, rhyming. This rhymes with myth, with. Very nice. Okay. Good. One more word. Yes. Can we say? Yeah. Heath. Do you know this word? Heath. Heath. Have you heard this word? Heath.
No.
Tell me.
No, sir.
You haven't?
No, sir.
Okay. Heath, is a plain land, piece of land which you have there in a jungle is called as heath. Don't you remember, like in Macbeth by Shakespeare, the three witches they gather together there in a heath, and they meet Macbeth there. Remember that heath?
Yes, sir.
Fair is foul and foul is fair. So how do you write? You write like this. Heath. This is long E. So 2 dots will go here. Heath. I have seen people pronouncing this too as heath. But this is heath. And this here you may have reed. Reed. Yes. Reed you may transcribe like this. Reed. Heath. Reed. Fine? Yes. So we have done 2 pairs of fricatives. Forward. Forward we have done. And the next one was
The.
thirda. Good. Thirda. Now we move on to the next one. Which one is it? Which one is it?
Sir.
Sir. How do you say sir? It's almost like, whistling. This is how. Like whistle of a pressure cooker. And z. Buzzing sound. Yeah. So here you write sa, and here you write za. Sa is voiceless, and za is voiced. So how do you say voiceless alveolar fricative? Voiceless alveolar fricative. Za is voiced alveolar fricative. Alveolar, remember I told you that alveolar is just above your teeth. Just above your teeth is alveolar. Okay? So what are the articulators? See, how do you say? S, z, z. Your tongue is touching the alveolar ridge. Okay? Alveolar ridge. just above your teeth. In a way, you may say alveolar ridge is a portion where your teeth are fixed. Okay, that portion is alveolar ridge. Okay, yeah. So initially, and finally, initially, medially, and finally. Okay. Yeah. I can think of thousands of words with sa and za. I want sip. Okay, sip I'm taking. Sip. Sip, yes. Here you can have sip, you can have zip here. Sip, you write like this. This is small sa. Sip. And zip, you write like this. Okay, this is how you write zip, and this is how you write sip. This is the initial occurrence. And then you can have soon and zoom as well. Soon, soon. So then long oo sound, and then you have na, soon. Here you can have zoom, zoom. Long oo sound and then ma, zoom. Okay. And if I talk about the medial occurrence, then we can have fussy. Okay, fussy we can have. Fussy is he or she is very fussy. Fussy, fuss. It's from fuss. How do you write fussy? This is spelled as F-U-S-S-Y. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same way we spell fuzzy also. Fuzzy. Okay. So fussy you will write like this. Phonetically I mean fussy and fuzzy this way. Fuzzy. Okay. So medially, now we move on to the final occurrence. Yes. How about bus? Bus. Bus. And you may have buzz here. Buzz. Buzz. Buzzing your sound on the mutapia. Okay. Buzz. Bus. Buzz. 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 Sorry, right. Buzz. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Get one example from your side also.
Rice.
Okay. Finally, you are talking about
Yes, sir.
rice. Rice. Okay. Rice. 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 Ra is rice. Diphthong you have here. I diphthong. Rice. So you can have rice here or this. You can have finally za. This ra. Again you have diphthong here. Rise. Good. So you have rice and rice. So this, here we complete the third pair of alveolar fricative. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
You know, if you are doing initial, final, and medial sounds, that way you gain confidence. And say if you are asked to transcribe a word, then you can do it easily. So the more you do, the better it's for you. Okay. Now, this is the last pair that we have here. I mean, in fricatives, this is sh, sh, sh. This is how. Sh, sh, shoo, as you have sh, and sh, 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 sh. Okay. Yeah. So, the smallest word that I can think of with sh, sh is sh, she. Okay, this is what you can have. She. She. Or you can write shin. This again is very small. Shin. And yes. You know, like final. This initially they said that this sound doesn't occur. They have written nil there, but you know I can think of a sound with ja. This is genre, genre, initially. Okay. Yes. This is pronounced as ja, ja sound. So, like, how do you spell genre? Genre, like, you know, like when you are talking different forms of literature, for instance, say fiction, or say drama, or say, say short story, criticism. There are different genre of literature, different genre. And same you have in movies also. Like you have parallel cinema, you have commercial cinema, and all. The genre. This is how you write. Genre. And how do you transcribe this? You transcribe it sh, sound. Genre. 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 Okay, genre. This is fine. This is initial sound. And then medially, have you written? Yes. Yes. Medially, what do you say? Yes.
Mission.
Mission. Good. Very nice. Mission. Okay. A similar, I think, a word can be vision. You know, vision, visual, illusion, delusion. All these words, they have ja sound. Okay. Illusion, fusion, for example, fusion you may have. Okay. Mission. He said mission. This is not mission, remember. This is not mission. That's why, you know, if you mispronounce it, then you tend to transcribe it wrongly. I mean, you won't be able to transcribe it properly. You said mission. This is not mission. Suppose if it was mission, then it would have, this would have been the transcription, but this is not the transcription. This is mission. Okay, mission, and this is vision. This is how it is. Okay, this is not mission. This is mission. Same as, you know, say button. The way you write button, you write like this. Cotton, or say mutton, whatever. So button, I'm writing there, for example, button. Means very quickly you pronounce. Yes. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more word we may have finally. Okay. One more, like
Fish.
fish. Okay. Fish. Okay. Fish we can have. Do you have a similar word, like which rhymes with fish? Can you think of? I mean, I'm not able to. So what shall we do? Let's take another word. Collage, we may say. I hope you know collage. What is it?
It's a group of pictures
Group of pictures.
arranged in a manner.
Louder, say louder. Sometimes you're not audible. Say louder, yes.
Means
What is collage?
a few pictures are arranged in a manner or randomly, forming a collage.
Okay. Yeah, she's right. Like, you know, when you take, say, many pictures and place them there on one sheet, you call it a collage. Okay? Means arrange it arbitrarily. Means there is no sequence there. They may even overlap. That is collage. Good. What was the word you said? Fish?
Yes.
Okay. Fish, you know, it's very difficult to find any rhyming word with that. I'm not able to. Ja sound. Because ja sound doesn't occur, you know, in many words. It occurs medially, but this finally you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fish. Medially we have covered
Yes, sir.
fish. Fish you write like this. Fish. Very easy. And the other word which I said? Collage. This is how you spell it, collage?
Yes, sir.
Collage, collage. This is long sound, collage. Yeah, this is how you transcribe this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Collage. You can have mirage also, mirage for example. I hope you know what mirage is.
Yes.
Do you know what is mirage? Tell me what is mirage?
Illusion.
Illusion. Very good, mirage. Okay, like you think that there is water, there are plants and all. Oasis, for example, that you have. That is a kind of mirage. Okay, good. Illusion. Okay, nice. So you've done forward, third, saza, and sha. These are interesting sounds. And you know these sounds, because ja we do not have in Hindi alphabet. That's why Indians find it a bit difficult to pronounce. Yes, and this is a very common sound in French language, ja sound. Now we move on to the last one. Which one is the last one here?
Huh.
Ha is a voiceless or voice sound?
Voiceless.
Voiceless. And this is the only voiceless sound that we have in single consonants. Otherwise, all the rest, I mean the seven remaining consonants are voice sounds. Okay, ha. So ha, as you say, voiceless. So it is a voiceless glottal
Fricative.
fricative. Voiceless glottal fricative. Good. Yeah. We may have hot. Now you know we do not have pair, so we are taking it individually. Okay. It doesn't have. It's not in a couple. It's not in a pair. So we are taking individually. Hot. Hot. Where is it? You have so many words. Hit. Or is. Taking small words. Can you tell me one word from your side? Tell one from your side as well.
Head.
Is,
Head.
Head. Okay. Head. 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 This is how you transcribe it. Head. Okay. Head. Head. Lead. This is how. Bed. And met. We transcribe this way. Head. Okay. This was initial. Now medially. Medially, yes. Get me one word. Medially also.
Behind.
Behind. Okay, good. Behind. 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 Okay. Behind. We may translate it like this. Behind. Behind. You have vowel sound here. Vowel. And then here you have diphthong. Behind. You know all those words which begin with be. You know this goes unstressed. The second syllable is stressed. Same we have like behive. Know this word behive?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Yes, tell me quickly and loudly. What is it? Behive.
Honeycomb.
Honeycomb. Very good. This is honeycomb. Right. And the right pronunciation as well. Good. Behive.
It should be double E. B double E.
Yeah, because you're right. Behive, behive. But although you write double E there, but you do not prolong the sound. Okay, you say behive, behind. Good. Honeybee, you have double E there. Good. Nice that you pointed out. So this is over.
Yes.